shot outside. I just wanted to walk and see this. Maybe I'll get better videos another day. I gotta get back to work. I just wanted to see this Maker unit. Jesus. I don't even know what it looks like inside. That's crazy. And, oh, you can't see. Where's the... I'm very, very high up the ground. I don't know if I can open these things up. Dude, I don't know how much I can emphasize I do.